Hi, my name is Garrett Ham, Product Manager and Agent for the Guards Income Protector and the GIP Health Insurance Plan. The Guards Income Protector was designed specifically for persons within the private security industry. It was designed to replace your income in the event that you should have an accident and you're unable to work. The Guards Income Protector will also reimburse your medical expenses in the event that you'd have to spend money out of pocket for your doctor bill and your prescription drugs. It also covers you for natural and accidental death and dismemberment. The plan also gives you the opportunity to insure your spouse and children on the same plan. Here are some of our clients who have benefited from the Guards Income Protector.
Hi, I'm Leroy Anderson, currently working with the Guardsman Group of Company. I had an accident by coming out of my truck at the Scotiabank Ocherias. I get a fall. I never know how detrimental it was until weeks after I start to have a difference in my walking. Didn't know what it was. I went to my doctor. I told him exactly what happened to me. He asked me to do an MRI scan, which shows that my accident was in the higher shoulder, a disc compression 5, which means that's about 4 or 5 of my discs in the upper shoulder get damaged. Therefore, I need to get an operation.
My name is Ainika Anderson and I'm the daughter of Leroy Anderson. After my dad had his accident, he informed me that he had a Guards Income Protector policy, and I was then introduced to his agent, Mr. Ham. It worked incredibly. It actually helped a whole lot in terms of assisting with his medical expenses and also reimbursing his salary on a monthly basis. That actually allowed me, as his daughter and his caretaker, to help him in terms of getting to the doctor on time, getting his medication, all of that.
Hello, my name is Linford Dennis, employed to Arca Electronics. On January the 24th, 2016, I was told to do a task and a car drove up, started firing shots, and when I turn around, look towards where the shot is coming from, I get one to my head. During that period, I was in a lot of pain. After hospital, I couldn't see until I do a surgery where they take out my lens and laser out the bloodshot out of the back of my eye.
If it wasn't for the Guards Income Protector, I don't know how I would have managed, because I already exhaust a lot of money through the operation. Guards Income Protector assists me in many ways. I'm really proud of them because it pays me back for my medical bills, and it also secures my fortnight salary. That I can attest, and I can encourage anybody out there who want to come on board with this Guards Income Protector to do so.
I was introduced to the Guard Income Protector by a co-worker telling me that they know an agent by the name of Garrett Ham. I would recommend anyone to the Guard Income Protector. In my time of injury, the Guard Income Protector has covered my pay and also all my medical bills.
So outside of providing good customer service, he's also very involved or very invested in finding out how my dad is doing from time to time. I would recommend the Guards Income Protector to anybody in the private security industry because it is truly a godsend and it is truly beneficial.
Hi, my name is Shamar McKen, son of late insured Leroy McKen, who worked at the Guardsman Limited. My story begins with the unfortunate passing of my mom on June 4, 2016. My father, through wisdom and sheer consideration as a husband, placed my mom alongside himself on the Guards Income Protector back in 2011. With the immediate assistance of this coverage, my family and I were able to accomplish a meaningful traditional homegoing for my mother. Then 3 weeks exactly after leaving to the States, my father passed away at the Kingston Public Hospital. I buried my father next to his wife on August 4th of that same year. The Guards Income Protector, in my opinion, was a blessing. For both my parents, it made putting them to rest so much easier, without all the hassle and back and forth that funerals and family deaths normally come. Because death is usually untimely. The agent was hands-on the very minute we exchanged words with each other and made the process quite easy. Like I said before, he walked me through the entire thing even after hours, and that to me is unwavering selflessness and excellent customer service. I implore any security officer, law enforcement or private contractor to work with GIP and to do this plan for themselves, wives and kids. Because a man who has not prepared his children for his death has failed them as a father. That is my recommendation.
So, if you are a member of the private security industry, contact us today and we will ensure that you and your family are protected by the Guards Income Protector.